Here is the third item to be checked before Wi-Fi-based deployment: whether devices use their factory default settings. Devices to be deployed via Wi-Fi must use their factory default settings. For new devices, do not perform operations, as this may change the factory default settings. For legacy devices, restore them to factory default settings to clear their residual configurations. If an Android or Harmony OS mobile phone is used for Wi-Fi-based deployment, the gateway does not necessarily need to use factory default settings. The configurations of a device using factory default settings will be changed in the following scenarios. First, when you log into a new device for the first time and set a password. Second, when you connect a console cable to a switch during Wi-Fi-based deployment. This operation will interrupt the automatic onboarding process. Then, how do we restore a device to its factory default settings? If a device has been deployed in a project on the Huawei eKit app and needs to be deployed through Wi-Fi in another project, you can remotely restore the device to its factory default settings using the app. If a device has not been deployed using the Huawei eKit app, you can restore it to its factory default settings by using the reset button or using the web system. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.